i-correct natin to kasi nagkaroon siya ng friction dito dun sa ABS wire niya, sumabit na dito. So ikakat natin dito yung kanyang cable tie, i-transfer natin dito para meron siyang cover. Kukorek natin ito. Kasi in the long run ito, pag hindi natin inano to, in the long run mabutas itong air hose. The air hose will have the freaking hole on it and it will cause up leaking. So we have to act early, like prevention, so this will not happen. So we put like that. Air hose has to be protected. The airline or the air hose has to be protected or at all times, or either both ways, no? Like the ABS wiring harness is touching with the brake hose, so we're gonna do something here like so. Like that. So that's it. It doesn't get contact anymore with each other. Okay. And then what we're going to do here now is we just clean the brake pad seams over here. Okay. free somehow. So we will have no doubt that the sensor is dirty. It will not appear on the dashboard. So as we can see, this one here has some markings on it like friction. So for prevention we need to move up this padding or for the hose guard padding. We need to move up, put it closer.
Still on the brakes. Jesus, yeah. I'm sick of them full of brakes.
So sensor is clean. Gonna put it back. This is brake pad sensor. So that's it. To avoid the benefit of the doubt that the sensor is dirty, brake pad sensor is dirty, so we just clean to avoid the benefit of the doubt, because it's appearing on the dashboard like brake pad signs on, and then when I plug the computer, it says axle 1 brake pad. So to avoid the benefit of the doubt, we just clean the brake pad sensor on both sides, and then now we're gonna install the new brake pad here. And then the rear brake disc, the front brake disc, this is like 39, 40, 39, so still good.